Hello, welcome back. Today we have a lovely copy of Pokemon Crystal, which, as I've already checked, I just went and picked this up from somebody. I got this, and some other bits and pieces, an action replay for the DS, some other DS games and bits and pieces, for the princely sum of £100. Annoyingly, I know how much the chap paid for them all. He paid £2 from a little garage sale. So yeah, someone made a lot of money today, and it wasn't me, but I wanted them, so I went off and paid him his money. Now, as I say, I've had a little look at this. On the inside, it has the battery held in with sellotape, but amazingly, if I fire it up, wait for it to start, it actually holds a save. So yeah, but obviously I can't sell it with a sellotaped up battery, so it's just going to be a nice quick video today to replace the battery on Pokemon Crystal. While we're in here, as you can see, that is, well, crap. That's not how that should look. Nobody is going to be very happy with that. So let's carefully peel this sellotape off. I mean, whoever it was has done a good job of securing a battery with sellotape, but that's just not how things are done around here. I might be a bodge artist at most things, but I can replace it. Oh, good God, this sellotape is so sticky. I do want to remove it carefully, as I don't want to rip any pads off. Right, well, that's the tape off the board. Not off my flipping fingers though. Ugh, that was a nightmare. Right, I'm just going to remove it straight away, rather than try and peel all the tape off. I just, because obviously someone has, how they've done that. Like, why? Let's just peel this apart. Have they? Yeah, they have. They've pulled that off the original battery, and then, and that one, bent them up, taped it on. Whatever they've done, it's a load of old crap. But is that a, I think that's a 2032. It is. I've got a use for that. That can go in something else. Now I'm going to take some solder. Lovely. Pop that to one side, and then we'll get this nice new battery. Get that tinned up. And we want positive up here, negative down here. Look at the battery, positive on this one here. So positive over that side. Yep. And then negative over this side. nice new battery. I'm going to get the little wire brush pen. Just give these a little bit of a rub down. Because whilst we're in here, we might as well clean the contacts a little bit. Do you know what? I think whilst we're doing this, I might as well do the Pokemon Sapphire as well, but let's just have a little squirt on there. Just so they are a lot nicer and cleaner. Let's take one of these. Pop that on there. Back in its case. It's not the best label, but it's not the worst. I've seen much worse labels than that. And then I want the screwdriver, well, I say screwdriver, the game bit driver. And then I'll fire that up and make a save file. Right, we're in game. Save, yeah. Lovely, game has been saved. Let's turn it off, take the cart out. Back in, just to make sure that the save is held. There we go, lovely. So that's Pokemon Crystal done. This copy of Sapphire, when I tested that, it did say that the internal battery had run dry. So let's get that changed. Just make sure it does do what it did before. Yep, the internal battery has run dry. The game can be played, however clock-based events will no longer occur. So you've still got your save game because that's on an SRAM chip. But obviously the clock-based events are knackered. So let's have this one apart. Soldering iron should still be hot. Lovely. So as you can see, it's all nice and clean in here, although we will give those a bit of a clean up again whilst we're at it. No, we'll stick that on afterwards. Right, let's get this off. Now these ones have got longer legs on them. So if you're using the standard tabbed replacement batteries you get off eBay and places like that, they are stubbier. See, they're like that, whereas this one has a lot more space on it. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of work to it. I've knocked over an old crappy bottle of vape juice. Let's just chuck that in the bin. Now, positive is down here. negative is up here. So positive is that one, and the negative one, I want to straighten that out a bit. And then bend it a bit further out. There you go. It's not perfect, but it's better. So let's get this on there. I should tin those up really. Just because it makes my life a bit easier once we install it. Alright, let's bring you back. That needs a lot more. And probably a bit of pressure on there. Because what you don't want to happen is for that to come off, or to touch the legs on the main chip. So that's quite a nice little joint there. Now the problem is, as soon as I touch this with the heater, it's going to ping off. Yep, there you go. Blob loads of solder on that. Hold it down here. Wait for it to cool. Remove my screwdriver. There we go. It's a shame they don't come pre-formed, but not much I can do about that. Now, again with the little brass brush. This will be the second video I've put out whilst I continue to trudge away at this hideous Game Boy colour that is causing me hours and hours of grief. The video's up to 2 hours long so far and it's not going well. So you may see it at some point. It may see the light of day if I actually survive. Well, if I actually manage to revive it, not survive it. But if it's a failure, I probably won't bother posting it because it's so long. And I've already done so many things wrong to that poor system. Right. Little wipe on the back as well. Give that a warranty sticker. Not going to bother putting the screw in just going to get the Game Boy and hopefully see a sign that says, well, nothing. Hopefully not see a sign, just go straight from start game to pick your save file. Yay, excellent. Right, I'm going to put the screw back in, and that should just about do us for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. This is one of those rare occasions where I'm actually doing something 80% right of how you should do things. So, yeah, yay me. Have fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around in the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye.